Hey guys, this is the Wondershare DemoCreator YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to use the new screen drawing tool to annotate the screen whilst recording. Now, let's get started. First, launch the Wondershare DemoCreator program and choose New Recording. Then, you can see the Screen Drawing Tool tab at the bottom of the window. After enabling it, a Screen Drawing toolbar will pop up. From left to right is the cursor, spotlight, pen, highlight, circle, rectangle, arrow, line, undo, redo, clean drawing, pause, delete and re-record, end recording, and disable the screen drawing tool. After opening the screen you want to record, you can click the Start Recording button. Select the annotation tool you want to use, and annotate the screen whilst recording. Sure, you can also change the color and display size of the tool at will. When you do not need to use the screen drawing tool, click the first cursor icon to return to standard recording. By the way, if you want to record your voice or webcam whilst screen recording, do not forget to enable the mic recording or webcam recording. When the recording is over, you can continue using the video editing features or export directly. Okay, that is all the tips for the screen drawing tool in DemoCreator. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try more robust and professional features of DemoCreator for free. Or comment to tell us what you want to know. Use DemoCreator. Share your knowledge like a pro.